God is here. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Zion.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214-218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Because of Christmas Day.
I do not own.
For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang out, there were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted and everyone loved. There's hope for all to find peace. Oh my Lord, you sent your son to save us. Oh my Lord, your very self you gave us. Oh my
Good
Lord.
morning, Dr. Mark.
It may not enslave us, and love may reign once more.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Good morning, Dr.
lawyer.
Mark.
Okay, I'll be back in a jiffy after I have established link with lawyer Asma.
Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Long time ago in Bethlehem.
We
where
are
the
very
Holy
soon
Bible
to
said.
join the.
Okay, it appears I've got lawyer now. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning.
I put me to them.
Adam, now sir.
Yami Adam, we see here. KT for Yami Adam BBI. Okay, so we're going to go back to BWF Solicitors officially, and then take off probably the Christmas edition of legal education from the masters BWF Solicitors. Lawyer, I don't pay. Yamma watch so uncle. I'm a muffin shopper. A more thing. Na ye bisa say. Bibi fufu bi aba ana sadada no a na aba na ya sonte.
Yo, Dr. Mark. It's here for the Ashafo. I no pay chia obi biara, baby a wo biara. Yami Adam, yawo ankwa. Na just adie na yawo. Santi. Na yami ahyɛ yɛn sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ne nan so no yɛbɛyɛ. Yɛde nsampa no abrɛ wo ɛwɔ Rainbow Radio ɛso. Na Dr. Mark, na ɛwɔ hɔ anɔpɛ yi no ne sɛ, apart from the yɛnim fast skilled worker ne student nsesan a aba no ne fees a ɛbɛkɔ soro no, nea aba no so ne sɛ, from 31st January 2024, nea aban policy no akɔdan ne sɛ woyɛ obi a wonwaree wo yere no anaasɛ wo kunu no, na wogyina ne so a senior wonim no yɛfrɛ no unmarried partner, na ɛno nso yɛfrɛ no durable partner, na yɛhwɛ mu a woyɛ cohabitees, na mmara no nso ne sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ moatena 2 years at the time a woyɛ application no, na moatena 2 years. Nti na kyerɛ sɛ ndɛ na moyɛ application no a ɛsɛ sɛ mo calculate back sɛ yɛatena continuously for 2 years anaa. But nea akɔba ne sɛ aban nhyehyɛ no sɛ woyɛ application sɛ unmarried partner, sɛ woyɛ fi amanane na wode aba anaasɛ woyɛ fi UK ɔman mu fi sɛ wote mu no, ɛnhia sɛ wobɛprove saa 2 years no continuously at the time a woyɛ application no. Na nea ɔka ne sɛ wobɛtumi approve sɛ moatena 2 years at any point in time, not necessarily up to the time where woyɛ application no. Until the moment I'm going to approve say moatena 2 years at any point in time no, na kyerɛ sɛ wetumi qualify unmarried partner threshold and that's a criteria no. Until my yɛnhyɛ so say from 31st January 2024, there will be no requirement for the couple to have been living together for at least 2 years. That is the requirement, living together for at least 2 years.
And I pay you got me beaming from left to right. It just say we say you bring idea and I say a new year idea.
We there a brilliant New Year, Easter now bomaba.
Put together.
Oh,
that is good news. It's good news because lawyer I'm proud to way to me break kakra na ya can't say any no break kakra na ya can't say any. And it's a very good initiative.
Our proud to me ejija na say can bom.
No sir.
And not just say a nature a life. A life. Santi.
Yeah, they almost say. So
but what can I say? It is sufficient for the relationship similar to marriage to have been existed for at least that 2-year period. Into what it means is that 2 years no ye kan efi he na ye ko si he. Kan no na wo be kan esi time wa wo ye application no, but you see ano say wo kan a not necessarily say wo be kan up to the time wo ye application no. Nembom wo betumi akan na aka say within 2 years at any point in time in that relationship no motina bomu.
Na yete bomu.
Na Dr. Mark, ma menka enyoma bi a ehia sɛ yɛhyɛ no so if you say eno ne enyoma home office for ehwɛ broni fra no factors no. Nti factor no bi ne sɛ the case worker no your assessment no obɛhwɛ sɛ you and your partner must have met. Senior yenim no mohyia dada. Na mohyia dada no na kyerɛ sɛ mohyia ya there's no way I'm going to me a form a relationship. And I'll say you and the partner must have lived together in a relationship similar to marriage. Relationship similar to marriage in the say moye madeɛ te sɛ awarefoɔ. Nti sɛ na awarefoɔ yɛ madeɛ no saa na mo nso mo bɛyɛ madeɛ. Na just say the same way awarefoɔ nso ɔmo tumi separate na ɔmo san bom no saa na mo nso metumi separate na mo san abom.
Pepe.
And I say your relationship must be genuine and subsisting. Not just say relationship no, as I say a relationship wa edimu, and yes say mo was a relationship because mo bota any say bio say mo de be ya bibi. Na mo relationship say mo bota any say mo be pim akomonim for each other. So I say subsisting. To be here bibi e be di adanse say ampa. Enyoma adanse say aware no edimu a etene kwa nanim a ete ho da. And I'll say, you and the partner must intend to live together in the UK permanently. And any previous relationship must yɛhwɛ wei ni nyinaa na kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ relationship wɔ baabi a ɛsɛ sɛ wo show sɛ ɛni hɔ biem. Ɛsɛ sɛ wo kyerɛ sɛ moatena 2 years. Na main one no sɛ saa 2 years no ɛnyɛ sɛ moatena abom up to the time a moyɛ application. Na mbom any 2-year period in the life of that relationship, say past or just a while ago or up to today or up to the time we year application to come more evidence.
Wait, David said, one BWF from which I establish time or be the girlfriend. But apart from that, what are that things yang on the ordinary? No, you between noting it down so that we share girlfriend be now on a quarter na and hoping here and kata some of the you put those things down just to make sure say and bring you do evidence say we've been together either living concurrently for 2 years or on and off for 2 years.
You all can say so relationship no as I say our relationship. Nti mama yɛhwɛ ne awarefo ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo show na yɛmfa ntoto ɔmo ware nso ɛho because I say it is similar to awareɛ. Nti sɛ awarefo prove sɛ ɔmo aware a apart from marriage certificate no ɔmo wɔ nneɛma bebree ɔmo didi adanseɛ communication money transfer proof of address ɔmo to the same place photos to show say ɔmo ɛbɔ mo bra ɛne nneɛma a ɛte saa ɛkeka ho nti wohwɛ unmarried partners no nea marriage wɔwɔ a ɔmo no ehia sɛ ɔbɛwɔ no ɛyɛ marriage certificate apart from that no nea marriage wɔwɔ ne nyinaa no ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn nso wɔwɔ.
Lawyer, does it mean say nti sɛ nipa no wɔ Ghana na me wɔ ha na me no na atwam pena me tumi kɔfa ne ba?
Mmara say you are in, so you have to prove relationship. So the relationship we are looking at marriage or unmarried partnership or durable partnership.
Nipa evidence said the girlie on any chat you know those things.
Sanity.
But that's the person. Nipa no Ghana no mazi or she reside in the in this case like I said sponsors abode Ghana. But it's all trying to fee Ghana. And that's what we're trying to one fee.
But how do you prove say you've been living together for at least 2 years?
Now you come here, lawyer, you come here utility bills in here, then you be use I they approve it.
Well,
this is about BWF
utility bills you just have to make sure say you have it right.
I know, but yeah, utility bill no crown. If you don't put your papa there.
Yes, if you're apart from utility bills, then be able. Into one nice say prove case, doctor. Into some way juma.
Aje BWF Solicitors and
we prove case. You sure say ma will pay slips. Pay slip no address ebe waso. Into address ebe na wode ama we juma no a or issue pay slip no. Who bank account or address waso. Address ebe na wode ama bank no. Na sesa ye no, wo kan kire won ana.
Ghana there na bank account na a PO box na waso ana.
So na obaka one man with PO box I'm for PO box so.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yo ntina ya sha ɛyɛ nsesan a ɛboaboa papapapapa titiri wɔn a wɔatena for some time na wɔn asan abom na by time a wɔyɛ application no na 2 years enduyɛ but wɔn counting anaasɛ wɔn hwɛ back a wɔn hu sɛ oh yɛn koraa yɛ baa yɛhyia yɛ for a long time just sɛ biribi nti na ɛma yɛkɔ ne yaba saa deɛ a yɛbɛtumi aka ne nyinaa abɔ mu anaa nti at least within a particular period no I say you have lived together for 2 years nti 2 years no how do you prove it nti wobɛkeka ka ne nyinaa abɔ mu na kyerɛ sɛ date no ɛyɛ very important paa.
Lawyer, yeah, that's it. And I pay one of them, and then the other one more de yasum. And Taffy, trash my now son of a trash no mammy announce on phone lines and just in Kawakwe Juma. Send a DBano BWF Solicitors, Masters, I want a maba. So, over any issues to do with your immigration or any legal issues in the area of family law, immigration and nationality. ABR, housing and welfare issues, employment issues, things like that. So, we'll be here and more. And I was saying, we're here a new year. This is the right time. We'll be to our friend, Studio Hana, one lawyer, Asma of BWF Solicitors, Akasa. Now, my friend, I'll pay 0208 133 4646. 0208 133 4646. And now, so between 0208 133 1134. 0208 133 1134. Bribinti and there WhatsApp line and our mobile line is out of use just for today. Let's say just for this morning's program. The technicians are working on it, and Bribinti and then paying WhatsApp line in use. So let's focus on these two numbers: 0208 133 4646. 0208 133 1134. I'll be ready when you are ready. But until then, let's go back to Lawyer Asma. Now, lawyer, topic our for today, no? On Famaye. Lawyer, back to you.
Yo, Dr. Mark, that's the you were here for the actual for assign Asia Beam. Now, there and Comono a year near Eddie Bebrenya. Titulu, your money and nana more, Yakofan way fee, Amanoni Abba. So, Mama came Busiano when I answer boom, Nebusiano, any GA payer. Nessence a year you for ninety. Yet to me, a queen Yakofan Waba. Ne bedu ya no senya yiyu mranete no osom bedu a sense ye ma won 6 months minti omunye application foforo na omunkwaje afebo ana say 5 years depending on hano yama ye hwano so depending on nia sponsor no ewo nia sponsor no wo no it say 5 years ana say a indefinite leave a ye friend no settled status. But ne akwaba ne say sisi ano omo hwemu a omo famra no baby na omo adane no na omo eyusu senia omo eni baji ewo ho na eno na akwaba say sese yetumi edi ho enkombo na sa wo ye bi anasa wa ye bi na ya ma 5 years instead of settled status and say indefinite na we hu anamo a ubetu afa ho ananso sa afi na wo be ya we hu kwan a wo be fa so na yiyumra no sene ayenim no Brexit ba ye no wie no yenya withdrawal agreement na withdrawal agreement ne kire kwan a UK man be fa so a wo be hwehwe ntotoye a woni EU aman no ewo ne sene asa ntotoye no ebe fa EU emma a wati UK eho won ne webusuafo anasa wasefo na eno na your friend no appendix EU policy guidance. Now appendix EU policy guidance no ne all can say some we application say EU ni and say EU ni asini a wo be kire say what's now krom ha and I say UK omemu for 5 years and now say went to now many 5 years say do 5 years obaka trust say application no omoba assess no under EU paragraph EU 14 of the appendix EU policy guidance no Sarah and soon as the way the 5 years no way EU ni and I say EU as senior yaba assess no under paragraph EU 11 of appendix EU to the immigration rules no then a 14 okay now 14 they can say so wundi 40 wundi 5 years e wo kromu ha na say UK yaba ma 5 years na 11 so ne say so we di 5 years ama impo abro yaba ma afebo and I say indefinite a friend no settled status na nyamra no e kan say ni nyina mu no exception e wo ho na exception e wo ho ne say so we ye akwala wundi 21 years embro ya wundi 21 and I say wundi manembro ya we your application no ya be hwe ne a sponsor no wo na wo nso ya ma obi sahara today na sponsor no wo it is sponsor no wo 5 years pre-settled status and I say indefinite leave to remain as a friend of settled status no sanetia dia wa we ya kwala no wo ya application na ibisa wo say wo pese ye ma wo nia wo sponsor no e won bi ana so wo gitumu na kire say wo sponsor de no na wo benya santi ibisa wo say wo sponsor no wa ye USS ni bi ana na wa confirm ana say waji atumu say sa na tie na ya ka kire say ende oye application no long number no ayede man no e sha ase with 3434 no fane de no ehyem nti wo de be ka ho e wo application no eso nti o makwa akwahwehwe no mo link no to application na kire say na wo no na ono wo no sara na wo nso ubenya moma yente ase say sa nkomo yi anasa sa akwanya no ekoma nkwala wondi 21 years wo ya application say EU for anasa EU ebusuafo nti moma ye hwe emra no EU paragraph EU 6 asesa wo ye application na wo qualify it is say abama wo pre-settled anasa abama wo settled depending on your circumstance na ye hwe emra no ne fa baby nso or say paragraph EU 11 capital A obaka kira say wo benya pre-settled do ana say wo benya settled do say wo ya akwala under 21 no esa say ye share conditions ewo annex 1 no annex 1 no conditions no appendix and as a part of appendix EU provisions no nti wo ko internet no so wo appendix EU to the immigration rules ebeyi aba eyi ba wo be share definitions no ye fa no annex 1 definitions no na wa akọ ne fa baby nso akọhwe conditions na ewo ho no condition no ye wo baako mienu miensa ene enan na me all can say so we your application so we akwala undi 21 years na wo ye say you ni and I say you family member and I say busuani ye be hwe say condition baako mienu miensa enan no we nyamu baako ana na sa imrano anasa nhihyae no so omasesem 5th of October 2023 na sa nsisae no na omofra no version 21 na version 21 of the amendment no now all can say so we EU akwala say we direct EU person so we put EU passport and now say we EU asini so we EU ba and I say EU nana say grandchild so we your application no a yeah share say we sponsor no then or wo and now so say we sponsor ne kunu anasa ne yero no then na owo nti it's not just about sponsor no na mbom sponsor kunu anasa yero no enso ne de no so there are two gateways what the sponsor has as part of the immigration status in the UK and now say what the sponsor's spouse has as the immigration status in the UK. Nti say a sponsor no, say a sponsor ne kunu anasa ne euro ni nyina no utumi efa ho mani ye.
Okay, lawyer, we dey mean chawa no na call we agina so kakranti ma ye manu mbonwem na ebia na sem no ehia papa na nemre susa. Hello caller.
Well, any Mr. Asma, me chiamo.
Yeah,
Me spam bebe. Yeah, any more mamuye. Pacho, wait a Mr. Masma me bisante say. Me wo 10-year parent route no. Me de can 2.5. And na me next 2.5 no, aka 1.5 years. Okay, aka 1.5 years. Met me at the akware ubia, se me no asaware. Me na me chere na de ache. But the minute assassin didn't come on the jay. Now, Fanny assassin didn't come on ya, Pia Messanica, Cabebus, me and Senny. Met me the Mecrata, no, Aqua Warreno. Aka 1.5 years and son of my renewing idea. Meeting the Aqua Warreno. And 100% pisa.
Lion Patrotin and come.
Martin nka na obisa no summit ni a ase ono angasa no okuta limited leave to remain. Yes sir.
Patcho I.
Yo.
Every 2.5 years, no renew. Every 2.5, no renew.
Well, it doesn't matter.
The current one, no.
It doesn't matter. Don't worry about that one. Now, me, what kind of sincere and say, oh, limited leave to remain. Yes, I net here.
Patcho I.
Yo. Would you know what you're so, and I say, what basso, and I say, what private life so?
Na, see, I'm Tama May and it. Ijina me maso but me no ye jai for almost 5 years in it. May apply for single. I'm also applying or apply for single to renew as a single. And I miss me renew as a single. But apart from that, 20-year threshold, me trim. But the time I may apply.
Maybe try no kakra. Na me person meti ase ne se na wo no wugina wo baso yes sir.
Patcho
Nti na sa wo ba no eni ho a wo ni ho yes sir na tie.
Patcho
Nti sa na tie wo dan obi yes sir.
Okay. They see and say
you are depending on your child. You are depending on your child. Yes sir na tie.
My apply as a child depend about me apply say me won kwara okrom ha ana face so no start up na me di 18 years eti no mo ka say omo ntimi separate akwara no ene me free akwara no ana face so me pa no won di more than 7 years enti ye de ma
yeah wait there sorry na maybe son say
okay
wo dia wo no ugina akwala no so na wunya ya yesa na tie say how e ba ya de eni de ehia enne
Patcho
yin mi say wo ba no ntimi ya de ma wo yesa
Mpatwan.
Nti sa oba no enni ho a ukori ni ho a. So there's no way I'm the bama. The next one will still I say we show bibi. Yes sir.
Mpatwan.
Nti ni ame pa kira ne say
It
because
shows
say
there. Na Eunice. Dite.
baja utie.
They let me show this say. They let me show this say the support to akwala no ewo ni upbringing mo. But in evidence let me show it. Let me go letter if it's going.
It doesn't matter. Sorry. It doesn't matter. Ni ame pesa utie ase no say oba nti when you asetena kakra ewo krom ha. As I say, we continue to prove say sa na tie. Sa nti wuntumi
okay.
Enkofa obi mba because you are not independent.
Okay.
Oba nti na wo ha. Nti wo dane obi, you are depending on somebody. Oh yeah, oba no more or less. So better than wa kwakofa wo yere say odo so mra na o me depending on wo yere oba no so. Nti until say ubenya indefinite no, wuntumi nkofa wo yere. Nti twen wo ya indefinite a, sa na me pa ache ba na mpesa wo ti sen ne nti a ya ka ne sa no ase.
Okay. Na that's not to me no. Na ne sa no. Many 20 years say bit more switch free sa child one not na apply for private life as a 20 years rule.
Sisi what's na ubano so for how long?
But also for 3.5.
3.5. What do you call with him?
That's right.
Inti ni aye can say. So what's na the so 2.5 wa? Na sa wo call with him wa. Na all of a sudden, open say what you want na start under private life wa. Of course, your choice. Ubetumi start under private life. But what's the point? Starting all over again. If you
the
have
point
the choice
is the point is so Australia, then he can bring the new wifey over.
Yes,
I think that the main purpose is to have to bring the woman over.
Yes.
But what switch here? Then the baba.
Say a private life in 2.5, no, like a matter for 20 years now.
Oh, your mama 2.5, sir, four times. So we for 10 years.
Yes.
So until
yes, but within that 10 years, so which one in the year number?
That is the point I'm making. Say until say we indefinite, no, won't to mean confirm with you.
Even Australia or a private life now, so
until say we indefinite, you cannot bring your spouse.
Okay.
Because the next moment I'll be renewed, then I just said Bamao. So you can bring your spouse if you are settled in the UK or you already have citizenship in the UK. Nia obetumi aye ne say wo ba wo ho na wo kofa wo ba aba dia and the okuta 2.5 limited leave kra obetumi akofa wo ba aba because akwala no different from wo yere. That's the difference.
Okay, lawyer, yeah, that's it.
Yes,
that's right. Wish you all the best. I hope they'll be away.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care. Right, lawyer, trust me.
Yo, it's a funny ashafo dambre ye church mu no. Say ye you abafraba. De ye you oba. Another ye you nana. Another ye family member no. Neba another ne nana. Say in the 21 years na application emrane say or the woman settled status. Nambum mwaka banyi de aya case workers funo wash emrane baby oka de you should have lived in the UK continuously for 5 years to qualify for settled status. Now we jai a fanwa oka say we a family member under 21 na time we your application wo family member na wojina no so ekuta indefinite and that's a settled status aya no meja ho no santi and then come no ni aya kan say ni aya kwaso no nti na ama ye di sa enkomo yi He said, Bebrinua, Munituma, they are my pre-settled instead of settled, even though Akwalanu need 21. And a mommy and as a papa are original no sono or settled status. Akwalanu application waka wo me say me pese me nya me maame me papa and as a me nana ne de ani bi. Omo ignore ni na. Inti ya share the amendment provision of 5th October 2023 eba ya no a. Ya share version 21 no. Ne fa no bi. Nti wo share pages no a obaka kire say oh yeah ya ba assess na waka kire assess conform no ya assessment ni say who assess ya hwe say nimpa no either say we meet conditions 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. One of the 4, not all the 4. Until I say all this or that there, and there as a sum share 4 na omuhu near nimpano or qualify. 4 no ukoshen year obaka chron say nimpano eye under 21. Akwala age na ne sponsor no eso. Na sponsor no okuta settled status. And as a spouse ekuta settled status. Inti san spouse ekuta settled status. And as a sponsor nankasa ekuta uni no ekuta settled status And ni say we share continuing residence of 5 years no before you make a decision to grant pre-settled or settled. That is the legal point. Inti bebrenu a omo akwasa tibia no mu no akwenya ewo ho emamo se mo beye krata akoma fekesimfo se sei na mra no eka na sei na media no akoye nti montiniti no emame ana so beye application foforo na wa hwe bebi a mra no ewo no na wode ato application no na wa mamo ehu say application no emiti mbrado senia mbrado etie nti doctor ya to ankomo no so
Yeah, that's it, lawyer. I feel I'm sign activity phone lines maybe no more a friend no and to me sign because I didn't want to interrupt your flow. 0208-133-4646. So who was in Bisabi my lawyer and the okay want to be biasi na open chimwa. And anything na if I embrace some say ye has say Ghana. Nefa acquaint embrace some. This is the right time. This is the right man. 0208-133-1134. The phone lines are activated now. If you call me, we'll bring you on air. Until then, let's take this break.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the
BWF Solicitors, and I know what to in common. We'll be home more 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters. Postcode near N15 4NP, N15 4NP. They are experts in family law, divorce and matrimonial, financial issues, domestic violence and injunction, child care, and the account. Immigration, say business immigration, say EEA, entry clearance, the friend of visitors basis, no, students and appeals and judicial reviews, Nina Omoye. Litigations, man super, and dispute resolutions, CNC and 7 so amo your dear. Landlord and tenants and consumer credit issues, Nina, and also between Abuao. Ghanaian law practice. Say some say real estate and I say citizenship in the BWF Solicitors or the power moha that just say money. So we've got just about 15 minutes or less to say goodbye and to say, oh, I my lawyer, this is the time. Call us now. And if you're not ready, lawyer, so we'll be able to chat to my wrap up. Ladies with na baby, yeah. Now ya share so now ya can.
Yo, Dr. Mark. Dr. Mark, my person me de eka ho na yeti ase se. Senya policy no ekre no enho enkomo na yetwetwe no. Ye share mre ya me kan enho asemu ya omo asesemu na omo de ba 5th October 2023 ya. Oma requirement SSA umiti sawoye akwala application under EUR. Na ye share paragraph EU2 capital A no. Obaka said the applicant will be granted indefinite leave to remain or indefinite leave to enter as a joining family member of the sponsor, and that must be a relevant sponsor. So you use sponsor no. Na osi se obetumi aye sa na wenya sa akwenya no a. Osi application no as I say di of course application no be use the right form. Na osi application so as I say meeting requirement no. Ya kire mu under EU 11A, that's paragraph EU 11 capital A no. And I say we kire say usuba nti enye wonye obi a say you refuse application no.
Lawyer, Mr. My info caller way now fit to my. Hello.
Mr. Ho, special good morning.
Good morning, Penikes. What to say?
BWF, the money do much for over 10 years. Now, and I paid my bomb ambassador at my palm, we have welcome one boy, I bet it's brilliant, and too much.
Yes,
number so, and every moment your quiz live on, when it's Friday, Saturday on the community and the host, by now, Mama, maybe.
Lawyer,
doctor.
They are putting it to you. So, quiz no other and a man now.
Many can say community and the law. We are a legal hour.
That be now. Do bring up a brace at BWF for more.
Yes, answer. Yeah, no 2 weeks already.
Okay.
And
well, but Mr. Asma, the tennis said, Black could not say other programs Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Meaning, Umbusan will be throughout. And I feel the money and some
Saturdays. And Bomodiana share Saturday way. Why? Now for Jim. Maybe I want to be a free ticket to Accra and back.
Last year we need it. Last year we need it. We need this year.
Last year when I win here.
We need second prize.
We are runners up. That's good.
And about my Musa question is a man quiz. I quiz and but my question I'm missing Musa.
Okay.
But I under the EU SS no before the old regulation 2016 no, so we are extended family member under regulation 8 now. Now you grant to resident card. Now what almost 5 years. So why you need due to renew on February 2025. Now we are under EUSS now. Me busa say, mbacho dependent, still learn. Who does prove? Who prove for 5 years? Nina, and relationship requirement, So we are not the best set. So the DNA, Obviously, approve relationship because I mean, say rules in the test. The mawa card ne dama no. It me a sufficient proof of relationship. Just a card never sufficient. The main question is, who apply for settled now as extended family member? Oh, nephew. Over to the resident card now approve as relationship. Now, on myself, put up 5 years dependent, bank statement now. And now they are better me because nipa no NI why you throughout as well. Now me use automatic check. But let me ask a question. So maybe 5 years dependency through bank transfer and maybe the best set and resident card as a family relationship. And one of my question, Bacho.
You Pacho, so we are live won.
No life, Bacho. No life.
And the main income. Tamo okwaji ni ayede man no. Then no prove you. Then no prove you.
And Bacho or the birth set, but man, to know or the DNA, as a nephew, DNA.
So we start in some meaning, that is relationship. What about the other one?
I know the coach, but I know proving dependence need the way, but it doesn't say DNA prove so bushing, no man go for the baby, no granting.
It's more or less to say, now what I say, even though I extended family at the time, dependence, but still, what the dependence you call ya?
But the dependency, when dependency, but or the if any say, or the proof of address just on the paternity fee home, but money transfer the way maybe no the coin.
No, my question is, sir, proof of address now the call ya no I work on no. So no the prove dependency ana.
But why?
So the fact say nipa no enwuremu anasa andorimu ankubisa bebre no enkyere say dependency wasn't part of the assessment.
Okay.
Lucky no nya I say no the call ya no mo jitu mu e na mo de ma no. So what just here? Some chance say kan no na emu ya din.
Okay.
But ye kwa yenim na anyama na asesa no na ye say after that USS buy no ye ka so obi anya ne de into also or migrate here me boa.
But or migrate yeah.
Until so migrate here, migrate under USS. Yes sir.
But why?
Tama o ye USS no approve dependency.
But there be one prove she no say or migrate here one prove here.
Right. So okay, so the point I ye actually say me wo fair na say me auntie a ohwe mi anasa na ohwe mi gusu yin na ti ohwe mi yes anete
Yes.
And so kweko renew as I say osan show say on no na cha na so ka say what no
but why
as I saw show anasa oni so show
but also show so on net
and the so bobo no ho to ho so what just here
Matias. Okay.
I better say.
Yo.
All right. Have a nice day. Bye. If I call us, moment one for one Sunday, and I am here was less than 7 minutes to go. And it's now or never. 0208-133-4646. Final call for Borden before lawyer Asma leaves us. Hello.
Hello.
Yetiwo Ohima Madenko.
Good morning.
Good morning, Afin Shapa.
Clear. Because this lawyer question say 38,700 and that's some people. And no pastor so we let's say settle settlement settle and no affect one.
You nia nsesa no emfa you there no ko you bibi restricted says we nya say answer why
nti no affect break phone kwa British phone kwa
so we are British citizen and that's ukuta settled ukuta indefinite leave to remain indefinite leave to remain, not from EU. Now they cover
lawyer.
It's
such as EU for the homophobia, but they don't have to prove a financial requirement.
I say EU for no omo enhye emre ase emre omo hye ase no EU mra no
and they are bregu ye na say EU for
say ye unfortunately and because omo hye emre ase nti omo di ade nti ade die no hye ne say wo be hye say wo ye EU ni a wo ti oman mu we can yes we exercise treaty right sisi I don't know am can say
38,000 ya be ya ye twa adwo omo mo nka ho and the mutirim kwa EU for
they be EU for
and there say wo question no na me for be foforo and abi o bi okay yeah that's it. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dr.
Mark.
I think come at you.
I think come at you. Sorry, no me tonka.
It's okay. Lawyer to you.
Okay, me tell a lawyer. Okay. But me tell me that question.
What me be that question be open.
That's it. Okay, we be some Americans or by Nancy under EU SS man 6 months family permit no be room but only biometric into or papa contact home office na home office email say because your man 6 months pending in man biometric na only seen the vignette or passport because the visa is valid for 6 months into on your BIP into also your application to settlement scheme and also your different application bill and then I'm a lawyer.
Yo, Emrane say so ba aba join EU family yabama 6 months. Ube do within 3 months we do no. As I say we main application under EUSS into your friend switch from 6 months to 5 years or indefinite depending on your age.
Okay. All but no, they said we do over 21. Or your application now or you're under 21, but it's our part 21.
Obedu ya no we di
we did 22. Yeah.
Is it more than 21?
Next week. Yes, next week we did 22.
Into yes, application now na visa no say who here.
That be who here.
About 3 months oba ya no.
That be oba about 2 weeks. But what happened is visa na ka say that hold for by 2 months.
Don't worry about near see ya no. Na me person who ni say once say who ya no de akwanya e wo ho e ma wo. Nti also your application 6 months and yet say what the bet is to arrive. Wo your application for why? Since we did to about 21. In terms of show dependency.
Okay. Into obey to the EU app no settlement scheme app no.
Send obey under EU SS route no eso. So when you're sure you miss a canon one away and say be wow. But or over 21, it can easily be questioned. Say dependency or any idea. And to the fact that
woman is sure no any BWF Solicitors.
Why?
Okay, me the number okay, me the number
BWF Solicitors. Aye. Me da se bebre.
Okay.
On download no me fa BWF Solicitors numbers na mamo na wafre omo. It might look small in your eyes, but in the law, in the eyes of the law, it's not small. So the best thing is to give it to the experts to do it for you, to avoid unnecessary complications. Emergency numbers are between your friend BWF Solicitors anytime, and I'm bossy. So open opiemu ankasa, Uncle Ben ankasa, Kofrabai ankasa, the principal ankasa. Say a law a for now say school be uncle no your principal. We're training for and they are all doing well. We all had the trainees in said I had papa. But Uncle Ben trainees in my poem I'm a boy pa. It means Master Nankasa are very good. Uncle Ben number name 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Chairman Nankasa Namani. Offer number where your case is done. Now, Bedia Cheney, Lawyer Eunice 075 35 813 910 075 35 813 910. I feel Lawyer Asma. Lawyer, Pacho, can you remember now? Mr. Wodiano, I feel it too.
079 476 36037.
Pacho Sansu to be married.
079 476 36037.
For until morning and a switchboard number no just in case I say our person will office line and 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. That is BWF Solicitors, the masters of the game. Say o person will bought immigration game biana winning up. That is where you head towards. That is 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters. Yeah, me and the Moko and as a road driver, I'll bring you more packing at least for 1 hour whilst you do your consultation and the rest. And see, special team packing and your problem. I'm also so interestingly for what quality of service I'm delivering on his car. It's not commensurate at all. It's shockingly, surprisingly low. And see, a man and more who say, "Hey, I'm your expert. I'm buy your chair. I'm your idea. The end of my car." I wanted to say that BWF. What they look at for is your welfare. What they look at for is the quality of service you get, and not the quantum of money they take from you. And see, Shannon so na and fa kokwasa. And then ye pepe and trafi and yes me ma adeno and kotija and sana wako hwehwe yes na ye complicated na bohu sa sama ye de nansa kana na afi ye be kana boso miensa obodo say stitching time saves 9 me pesa me ka de twi but ba me ka cho nti so tra ban wo de ye genentem na enfre wo so na 2024 na I am fenije na hosepe enfem room. Lawyer Charles, and now move break it for Christmas. Now move break it from war time to war time. Now you about why you when to come.
Yo, it was now for Sir Opesa Behuya. Yamia Dumoa, you were up to China. Na yatitimu kakra yabasai aba 27th 28th 29th na yasan atitimu na yaba new year from the 2nd.
Oh, send us some papa. Let's say mon shadan close baby asa.
Cause say your dream community no hunti.
Very good.
As I said, they be available.
Very good. But I'm beginning to say in all of this, even small closures no crano, say emergency be na from master mo baji so.
No correct. So near no da no.
Eda mo ase. Afi kra when no asma twato na ye fan sorry so.
Yo and Dr. Mark na make is to say. Emrade say as I say oh your application no we meet EU paragraph EU 11A no. Na EU 11A no ema conditions bi. Conditions na obaako mienu na nsane enan ose mu baako. Na enan no ose the applicant is a joining family member of a relevant sponsor and the person is under 21 years of age. Nti no ni ade a yahwe no so so ye under 21 or your family member of that sponsor. And now cultural say in addition no sa family member now all joining us why ye USS ni bi enya indefinite. Sa na etia dia wo akwala no ese say wunya sa nipa no indefinite, not say yebama o pre-settled as if say wo ye on your own. Nti because say you are not doing it based on your own residence, nembom or family member need nti. And this almost say we did 5 years, and say we did 5 years. A year automatic jump to near o sponsor no or one. A hono na aya omo enhwe no saa na omo ahwe no the tra no say as I say we did 5 years na omo ama o 5 years because wuncha saa 5 years no because I feel na waba to say yen yen afraid I feel na kwala no aba or your application for extension or yes sir extension from 6 months to we no ne papa na say ne maame na say ne nana no ekuta indefinite na so ndi 21 as I say ye hwe ne saa na ye de ma no na mmom sɛnea wobɛyɛ w'adeɛ no na ɛbɛma ɔmo ehu sɛ nea ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ no nie anaasɛ ɔmo mistake ayɛ na ɔmo yɛ mistake a to change it no na ɛsɛ yɛkɔ and you go through another process another steps nti na yɛka no sɛ sɛ woyɛ application na wogyina wo nua wogyina wo maame wo papa anaasɛ wogyina wo nana so a sɛ ɔyɛ step anaasɛ then still a family member within that closet wonni 21 nko adeɛ a akonya wɔ hɔ sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wonya settled sɛ yɛama wo settled a ɛsɛ sɛ wopusu wo ho na woyɛ biribi na wɔn ɛsesa w'adwen ɛfa wo ho yɛwie a yɛbɛtoa so wɔn a wɔn question ba wɔ Facebook wɔn a na wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn yɛn kasa wobisa question bi a wɔntumi ambɔ nwura mu no yɛwie with rainbow a yɛbɛtoa so bɛyɛ 15-20 minutes na yɛama wɔn nyinaa wɔanya mmuayɛ ansa yɛde dwumadie no aba awieɛ nti Dr. Mark and then no nea ɛwɔ hɔ ne sɛ so we are married partner and Rani say this we show 2 years up to the date of application number 2 years in that life of the relationship at any point in time no we between the account am na ye
lawyer one hwam yɛda ase ɛyɛ asɛm de paa na yɛda ase anɔpɛ nso wagyebrɛ na wabɛsom yɛn wakyɛkyɛ nnwuma mu akyerɛ yɛn na wama yɛakoma atɔ yɛ yam yɛsɛ sɛ nyame nka wo ho ɔnhwɛ wo so wo ne wabusua ɛne BWF abusuane nyinaa nkɔsi berɛ a nyame adɔma yɛbɛsɛ ahyia biom mesɛ da sɛndɛ sɛ bebe mu a na sɛ mobɛba a baade na prophet aba nti ɛbɛyɛ ahoka yɛda mo ase ɛkyi Uncle Ben ɛne abusuane nyinaa take care.
Yo,
this is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations.
Questions. Ebaya. Bringing to yen to me ya no canino. You be ya no amamo. Open some friends who are over to me afre studio line na we be sawasem to a na yedi mwaye amao. Into yenya Elizabeth, Ebisa said, can you still apply under Zambrano? Yo yenya ne woman say so we could 2.5 already wouldn't me apply under Zambrano. Na so we could 2.5 there and the hono embrano and society into bet me aye. Yenya case be say some person me renewal after 5 years as a family member of EU. Document ben na me here. Because a renewal, my name is away 5 years. We go name akoye in the settled status no. The GDs are. Until now we used to hear the prove I am out 5 years no. Sarah and soon I will be use obey no. Until document I will use to the canon. Similar ones, and I said the same document. Because the same, it doesn't mean that I would come over 5 years ago now, I will better the alcohol. Nembum, nyama what they call no, the adanse say relationship no dependencies and so prove ni nyina wo ho no saa nso na wo bɛyɛ no why na 5 years there ayɛ outdated nti say we use new ones ayɛ current date yo ni adafo am say enuanom a what the question eba yɛ no yɛtumi eyi wɔn ano saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a yɛbɔ nkaeɛ sɛ yame yɛ adom a ɛkyena yɛbɛto adwumadie no so ɛwɔ legal hour Friday show ti bɔ mmɔden na ahyia yɛn ɛwɔ afidie no ɛso lawyer Eunice bɛhyia yɛn ɛkyena Sarah nso ɛna Saturday yɛbɛsan ahyia na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ on the community and the law program na yɛde quiz no so abrɛ wo ti yɛn nua na ɔse na onim sɛ yɛahyɛ aseɛ no bɔ mmɔden na ɛkyena join 4 p.m. kwesi 6 p.m. na participate in the quiz. Be a ubenya free ticket with accommodation to Accra and back. Off peak. Yo, just to summarize what we've learned today. Today we touched up on what is happening with applications from EU family members who are under 21 years old. And so looking at children, grandchildren under 21 years old who have arrived in the UK with 6 months EU SS family permit and applying to continue their stay. The law is clear, and we have mentioned that under the relevant provisions of Appendix U, and also under the policy guidance issued on the 5th of October 2023, version 21, it says that if a child is applying under EU provisions after 1st of July 2021, that child must meet the requirement. So we have the requirement under paragraph EU 2, capital A. We have the requirement under paragraph EU 6. Actually say it is a pre-settled and also settled. And one and now say most of the time the caseworkers are only looking at 5 years residence and not the age of that child who is applying. So we have to understand that the policy is clear on that. If you have made an application and you have been granted settled status, pre-settled instead of settled, you can challenge that application under the relevant provisions. The provisions as amended say that if the application is after 1st of July 2021 and the person meets the Annex 1 conditions, especially condition 4, the person should be granted the indefinite leave to remain of their sponsor or the sponsor's spouse. So if you are not granted indefinite leave to remain, especially if you have already indicated that that's what you want, and you have indicated that your sponsor has also applied and gotten indefinite, then the application was wrongly assessed and must be challenged. If you are not sure how to progress on that, you can call us. We will assist you anytime, any moment. Thank you and have a pleasant day. Shalom.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884.